Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Work in a ventilated area with windows open and a fan running. Wear chemical-resistant gloves, goggles, and a respirator rated for organic vapors. Wash the surface with soap and water, then dry completely with a lint-free cloth. Remove loose paint with a plastic scraper or 3/5-inch putty knife held flat. Mask areas you want to protect using painter's tape and drop cloths. Test the renewer on a 1-inch square hidden spot for 10 minutes. Shake the paint renewer solution for 30 seconds before opening the container. Apply 1/4 cup of renewer to a clean microfiber pad. Work in 4 by 4-inch sections using circular motions for 3 to 5 minutes. Allow the product to dwell for 2 to 3 minutes if paint is stubborn. Wipe residue with a clean microfiber towel and inspect the finish. Repeat up to 2 additional passes until desired clarity is achieved. Avoid using power tools unless product label explicitly permits machine polishing methods. Rinse the treated area with water and mild detergent to neutralize residues. Dry thoroughly and apply a quality wax or sealant within 24 hours. For deep oxidation, follow with a fine polish using a dual-action polisher. Store leftover renewer in original container away from heat and direct sunlight. Dispose of used towels and pads according to local hazardous waste rules. Maintain the finish by washing monthly and reapplying protection every 6 months. If paint shows damage, consult a professional for repainting estimates and repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.